Šireći granice našeg uma i šireći granice poslovanja naše kompanije, 2022. godine mi smo odlučili da otvorimo podružnicu u Makedoniji i to nas dovodi do današnjeg dana otvaranje naše podružnice, to jest kompanije u Bosni i Hercegovini. Šta mi u stvari želimo da pokažemo ovim otvaranjem i ovim skupom? Želimo da pokažemo da naše prisustvo koje je počelo 2007. na teritoriji Bosne i Hercegovine nije bilo slučajno. Želimo da pokažemo da želimo da pratimo naše partnere, želimo da pratimo naše kupce u njihovom razvoju, ali da želimo da ulažemo u zemlju u kojoj poslujemo.
To successfully work together, you have to focus on similarities, not differences. Fortunately, both of our countries do have a lot in common. I already mentioned some of the similarities, but I would like to highlight a few more. The structure of companies in Bosnia and Herzegovina and Austria is quite similar. In both of our countries, we have a lot of small and medium enterprises. In both of our countries, we have a strong focus on metal industry and machinery. And as already mentioned, we are also connected by history and people.
I think the opening of this new company from Neofyton here in Bosnia and Herzegovina opens another new chapter in the good history of the successful cooperation between Neofyton and Engel. And it's a great honor for me to present and introduce Engel for you today.
We have decided 6 years ago to make this step to come to Kreševo. We were very lucky to have a lot of business partners, especially here located. Darko Kujundžić is our main partner. He has realized a lot of things, and the second partner who was always beside on our side was Gospodin Tadić.
Neofyton here in the Balkan is a strong partner that is used to work with reliable partners as well, and I think that reliable is the main word that I want to share with you today, because we have all talk about a company that are in the market for more than 50 years.
Vizija kompanije Neofyton oduvek je bila jasna, a to je da budemo pouzdan partner svojim kupcima, isporučujući najbolje moguće rješenje iz jednog izvora i pružajući dodatnu vrednost kroz integraciju poslovnih procesa. Kupac i zadovoljstvo kupaca je uvijek na prvom mjestu Neofytona. Međutim, naš cilj je da nije samo da budemo dobavljač za industriju plastike, već da kroz kvalitet i poverenje pružimo rješenja koja unapređuju poslovne procese i povećavaju konkurentnost naših kupaca.